Good morning, students. In the last lectures, we have discussed the shear strength of the soil and different experiments to find out the shear strength of the soil. So far, we have discussed the experiments to find out the shear strength of the soil, and these are laboratory experiments. And they are direct shear test, triaxial compression test, and unconfined compressive strength. And the last experiment to find out the shear strength of the soil is vane shear test, and it is usually conducted in field. It can be conducted in laboratory also. So the aim of vane shear strength test is to find out the undrained shear strength of the soil, and the vane shear test is usually conducted in soft clays. Okay. As we have discussed in the last lecture, that the shear strength test experiments, shear experiments can be conducted in different condition, that is in drain condition or undrained condition. Like that, this vane shear test also can be conducted in drain condition and undrained condition. If it is conducted as drain condition, there will not be any change in pore water pressure, and the pore water can drain out of the soil easily. So there will be volumetric strains in the soil. There will be passage of water, so there will be change in pore water pressure. And in the undrained condition, the pore water is unable to drain out of the soil, so there will not be any volume change extra. This is the vane shear apparatus. This is the vane shear apparatus, and it consists of a vertical steel rod having four thin stainless steel blades, and these blades are known as vanes. That is, this vane shear apparatus consists of a rod. There will be a central rod, and this rod is attached with four vanes. It's known as so it is known as vane shear test. These are vanes. So there will be four vanes attached with the central vertical steel rod having four thin stainless blades or vanes fixed at its bottom, and its dimension is height should be 2 times diameter. Okay, and usually recommended diameter is 2.5 mm, and length of the rod is 60 mm. This is the vane shear apparatus description. This figure shows the vane shear apparatus. This is the central rod, 60 mm height central rod, and these are four vanes or blades. Next is the equipment for vane shear test. For that, first equipment is vane shear apparatus. We have discussed the components of the vane shear apparatus. That is, there will be central rod and four vanes, and there will be second one. There will be specimen, that is soil specimen, and the specimen, that cylindrical specimen height is 75 mm and diameter is 37.5 mm. That is L by D ratio usually between 2 or 3, and specimen container will be there. Calipers will be there. Then experimental procedure. Prepare 2 to 3 specimens of soil sample. Soil sample is mixed with water, and prepare around 2 or 3 specimens, and mount the specimen container with the specimen on the base of the vane shear apparatus. This specimen is put on the vane shear apparatus, and gently lower the shear vanes into the specimen. Uh, we are putting the specimen on the vane shear apparatus, and we are gently putting down the vanes into the soil specimen and rotate. Okay, we are noting here, we are not before that, the top of the vane should be at least 10 mm below the top of the specimen. Okay, the vane should be at least 10 mm below the top of the specimen, and note the reading of the angle of, here we are noting the angle of twist or torque. We are applying torque into the soil using the vanes. Okay, and rotate the vanes at a uniform rate of 0.1 degree per second by suitably operating the torque application handle until the specimen fails. We are applying torque by using the torque application handle, and the rate of the torque application is usually 0.1 degree per seconds, and the torque application continues until the specimen fails, and we are noting the torque at which the soil fails. Okay, so in this experiment we are noting down the torque reading. Okay, torque T, that is angle of twist, and note the final reading of the angle of twist. So this is the experiment procedure, that we are preparing the soil sample, and it is put on the vane shear apparatus, and we are lowering the vanes or rods with a rod with vanes, and applying the torque at a rate of 0.1 degree per second, and the torque application is continued till the soil fails, and we are noting the angle of twist or torque at which soil fails, and that is the reading of vane shear test. Okay, So I have told that here we are noting down the torque. Okay, T. We are getting the torque from the vane shear apparatus torque, and by using this torque value, we can calculate shear strength. Actually, we have to calculate the shear strength of the soil, and there is an equation connecting shear strength and torque. That is, shear strength S is equal to torque divided by pi into d square h by 2 plus dq by 6, where T is the torque in Newton centimeter and D is the overall diameter of vanes in centimeter and H is the height of the vanes. Usually the diameter and height relation, that is height will be 2 times the diameter. Okay, so by putting the torque value and the dimensions on this equation, you can find out the shear strength of the soil. From this, we can also find out the sensitivity of soil. We have discussed what is sensitivity. Sensitivity means it is the easiness which soil can be remolded, or loss in strength due to remolding is known as sensitivity. For that, after the initial test, the vane is rotated rapidly through the several revolutions such that it become remolded. Okay, after initially we are finding out the shear strength using vane shear apparatus, and after that the vane is rotated rapidly several times such that soil become remolded. So we can find out the remolded shear strength. First shear strength will be undisturbed shear strength, and second will be remolded shear strength, and by taking the ratio we can find out sensitivity. Okay, so from the vane shear test we can find out the sensitivity of the soil also. Can just do one problem based on this. Question is, a shear vane of 7.5 centimeter diameter and 11 centimeter length was used to measure the shear strength of a soft clay. If a torque of 600 Newton meter was required to shear the soil, calculate the shear strength. Okay. The vane was then rotated rapidly to cause remolding of the soil. The torque required in the remolded state was 200 Newton meter. Determine the sensitivity of the soil. Okay. Here we have to calculate the initial shear strength and also sensitivity. Okay, so I have discussed in the last slide, that is, if we want to find out the sensitivity, we are conducting the test several times, or we are applying several revolutions such that the soil become remolded. Okay, so in this question, in the second step we are making the soil as remold. Okay, so we are finding out the remolded shear strength, and in the first case that will be undisturbed shear strength. So by calculating the ratio, you can find out sensitivity. So initially we have to find out the shear strength. For that, the torque is given as 600 Newton meter. That is, torque 600 Newton meter is given, and dimensions, that diameter D is 7.5 centimeter, and length or height H is 11 centimeter. So these all are given. So putting it in the equation of shear strength and torque, we will get shear strength as 503 kilonewton per meter square. Here, here conversion means, here it is in Newton meter, here it is centimeter. So the centimeter is converted into meter, and it is put in kilonewton, so into 10 raised to minus 3, like that. Unit conversion, you just note that the unit conversion all has to be converted in same unit. Here centimeter and meter, so it is converted same. If it is centimeter itself, there is no need to convert, because we are finding out, finally we are finding out the ratio. Okay, and first one, undisturbed shear strength obtained as 503 kilonewton per meter square, and in the remolded state, the torque was 200 Newton meter. But the other dimensions will be same, because it is the dimensional apparatus, that will be same. And find out the shear strength by using this equation, and we get the shear strength in the remolded state as 168 kilonewton per meter square. So sensitivity, what is sensitivity? Sensitivity is the shear strength in undisturbed divided by shear strength of remolded. In the case of UCC test, we have write down the equation as sensitivity is the undisturbed unconfined strength in the undisturbed condition divided by unconfined strength in remolded, that is QU of undisturbed divided by QU of remolded. Here shear strength in undisturbed divided by shear strength of remolded. Okay, so we obtained sensitivity as 3. Okay, this is the procedure. So, up to this lecture, we have discussed all the experiments to find out the shear strength of the soil. So, you just go through the textbook and read the experiments again. Okay, thank you.